Hello guys, welcome back to this new Lego video. Today I'm going to show you this Lego build. I made it myself, and let's have a look, a closer look. So this is my Lego build, and now I'll show it. This is the engine. I used small Lego parts and big. So because this way it goes lower than the motor does. But it goes also, it's also stronger, so it can make the car, we can say the car, the vehicle, move, and it works. It's not too heavy, all the vehicle, because if it's too heavy, the motor and all the parts, like this has to be stronger, and it's not convenient. This is the best way I think it can be. I used a remote controller. It's a Lego, as you can see, and the other parts I used are the battery and the sensor. I really like it, and I hope you enjoyed. Let's have a final look. Now I'm going to explain how it works. To not destroy the vehicle, I use these two because they are made out of rubber, so it doesn't hurt the Legos and the plastic, so it's very convenient, I think. Then, as you can see, these two move and make the vehicle go up and down. Now I'll let you see how it works. And this is it. I hope you enjoyed. And remember to leave a like to the video, so I'll do more videos like this, and goodbye.